Let me show you how to connect Google Ads to InsightfulPipe and use the CLI alongside Claude Code to generate a full performance report, all from the terminal. First, go to the InsightfulPipe connectors. Click Add Connection. Choose Google Ads from the available connectors, set the permission, and click Connect. You'll be redirected to Google's OAuth screen. Choose the Google account that has access to your Google Ads account. Select the Google Ads accounts you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now, let's set up the InsightfulPipe CLI. Navigate to the CLI setup guide in the sidebar. It gives you everything you need to get started. Back in the terminal, run the npm install command to install the InsightfulPipe CLI globally on your machine. Now, authenticate the CLI by running InsightfulPipe auth. You'll be prompted to enter your API token. Back in InsightfulPipe, go to Settings, then API Keys. Give it a name and click Create. Your API key is generated. Copy it. Paste your API key into the terminal. The CLI confirms authentication was successful, and the token is saved to your OS keyring. To ensure the API key is stored, you can also export the token by export InsightfulPipe token and paste your token. Run InsightfulPipe Doctor to verify your setup. Everything is successful. The CLI is fully configured. Now let's launch Claude Code and use it with the InsightfulPipe CLI to analyze our Google Ads data. Ask Claude to use InsightfulPipe CLI to analyze Google Ads account and produce a full performance report, covering campaigns, ad groups, keywords, spend, clicks, conversions, CTR, CPC, CPA, and ROAS. Claude starts processing the request. It loads the InsightfulPipe tools and begins querying your account context to understand what data is available. The report is ready. It starts with an account summary showing total spend, clicks, impressions, conversions, conversion value, overall ROAS, average CPC, CPA, and CTR. The report compares every campaign side by side, making it easy to spot where spend is turning into results. Then it drills into the best ad groups and keywords behind that performance. You get a clear view of search intent, quality, cost, and return at the keyword level. Claude highlights the winners, including brand search, brand integration showcase, and a DSA pricing page ad group with standout ROAS. It also calls out the biggest budget leaks, from costly discovery campaigns to weak keywords and low-quality score terms. From there, it points to tracking gaps, weak bidding targets, and places where true ROAS is still hidden. And it finishes with a simple action plan. Pause what is wasting money, optimize what can improve fast, and scale what is already working. That's InsightfulPipe with the CLI and Claude Code.